I'm gonna try this GoPro. I'm recording with the GoPro, as you can see. Sorry about the mess right now. I'm really sick right now, but I'm gonna try this, the GoPro with the helmet on the motorcycle, to see, just a little test. Let's see. Awesome. Have a mess. What's going on? Okay. This earphones. I'm gonna use these earphones for now. This will be my speaker, and I want to put this on my ear, so like if I'm talking to somebody or like music. I don't know. I've seen a lot of videos, but maybe this helps. I don't know. I'm gonna insert it inside this helmet. When I started, I had a G-Max helmet, extremely cheap one. They do carry a intercom, a pack talk bolt, and I'm gonna stick the GoPro here, and I'm gonna do some customization right now. I got it. I ordered it, and it's finally here. So, excuse me. So now that I have it, I'm gonna do some work, and hopefully the audio is good. First Moto block test. Let's see how it turns out with the speaker. Well, I don't know how my voice is. Test, test, test. I hope it's good. Time to test, test, test. It got dark. But I still wanted to try this. So I'm gonna warm it up. Yep. It's good to have my bike back. It's loud. I'll wear these gloves for now. It's cold and it's super windy. I don't know if you guys can see the trees. See? I don't know if you guys can see, but it's super cold and super windy. But I'm gonna do this a test. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's see how it goes. All right. Let's see how this goes. I'm sorry about my voice, but I'm a little bit sick. Today, I woke up and I left the window open. And it was super windy, and I think I got sick because I left it open. Here we go. All right. So I don't know how my voice is doing, if it's good or not. I'm using some earphones from a phone, from a Galaxy X6. At that time when I had those, they bragged about those earphones being good. I always do this because it always comes a car, and on this side too, I don't have a lot of visibility. Okay, so like I was saying, they bragged about those things, and I'm gonna give it a shot right now. Hopefully it's good. I will get Purple Panda. I heard a lot of good things about that. Woohoo! Okay. I know, I'm sorry, it's been a while. I haven't been like uploading. Lots of stuff has happened. My bike was damaged, you know. You guys know because I showed you guys a video. I finally restored it. I was able to get my bearings, you know, the oil, all the goodies. And now I got it back running. And then I've been working, so that too, that has been like another thing. So I've been pretty busy, but now I'm back, and now this is my goal. I want to do moto vlogs. I still want to do regular vlogs, but I'm excited for this motor vlog. Please leave a like and subscribe if you can. I'll be uploading more videos. Leave a comment down to help me if I should do something better, like a better setup. This is out of my knowledge. Let's do a little fast run. Woohoo! I am driving an R1, a 1000cc Yamaha. It's cold. Cool. I know it's dark. I want to do this on a day. And I had my brother with his R1, and then my friend with his Ducati. It's 959, I believe. Woo! It'll be fun, us filming, the three of us. I told them if they wanted to be in the vlogs, of the motor vlogs, and they said yes. I forgot to turn my speaker on, the Picardo Pack Dog. That's okay. I won't, I don't need that right now. This is a test. More importantly, the voice. I want to see how it sounds. And well, you guys too. I'm pretty sure you guys want to know how this sounds. Let's go. Woo! Right now, there's a little bit of traffic. There's actually a lot of traffic. Wow, I'm never been so happy in my life about doing something like this. By the way, the crash, oh my god, I thank God that I'm good, you know, like, I went down like a long time ago, almost a year. That was my bad, I hunked. So I went down on the freeway and I'm good. Like, I got like, you know, road rashes. I'm good. The bike was not good, but that's the least thing to worry about. The most important thing is that I'm okay. I'm back on my bike and it's fully restored. There's some dude in the back. He's like tailgating me. Not cool, dude. Alright, let's go. Woo, pop. Alright, I'm gonna cross right here. Please leave a like and tell me how this is going so far. I'm excited. Let's go. Vamos, vamos, vamos. So in the night, not a lot of cars can see you. Even if you have like the brightest colors, they still won't see you. I mean, you're more visible, but still, it's like they don't see you. It makes me wonder if they bought their license. I know it's probably me rude saying this, but I mean it as in like, come on, man. There's thousands of accidents every day. You just gotta look out. Like, you always gotta watch out. Like, you never know. Somebody might be crossing. That's my brother's bike, the R1. Oh, look, Casper. What's up, boy? Alright, time to turn this off. There's Casper. Alright, let's get down. Oh. Let's close the gate. Nice. Let's turn this off and time to reveal the video. Alright. Casper. What's up, boy? Alright. Check the clip on the GoPro. It's good. You know, I'm starting. The mic is alright, I guess. Wait until I get Purple Panda. It's gonna be lit. So, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more motor vlogs. This was a test, and I think I reached what I was aiming for what I have. I think I reached what I was aiming for, and more videos are coming. Stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Booyah!